Hey there, if you're a bookkeeper or accountant, you already know there's a lot to do. You've got journal entries to prepare, emails to send to clients, reports to explain, and sometimes it all just feels too much. But what if I told you that there's a tool that can help you do all of this faster and smarter? Yep, that tool is ChatGPT. Now, don't worry, ChatGPT isn't here to take your job. It's here to make your job easier. It's like having a smart assistant by your side who works 24/7, never gets tired, and gives you answers instantly. Let me show you how ChatGPT can actually help you with real bookkeeping work. Let's start with journal entries. Normally, you'd sit there figuring out which account to debit or credit. But with ChatGPT, you can just type, create a journal entry for rent paid $1,200 on May 1st from bank, and it will give you the correct debit and credit entry in seconds. Now imagine doing this for sales, salaries, or even complex transactions. It's that simple. Next, report summaries. Clients often don't understand the full report, they just want to know what's going on. You can paste the report details into ChatGPT and say, summarize this report in 3 easy points for a small business owner. And it gives you a clean, simple summary you can share. No more struggling to explain complex stuff. Now, let's talk about emails, because we all know how much time they take. With ChatGPT, you can write things like, write a follow-up email to request missing receipts, write a thank you email after sending monthly reports, write a reminder to submit invoices by Friday. Just like that, your professional emails are ready to go. Another cool use, client question and answer. You know those questions clients ask again and again, like, why is my profit less than my cash balance? Or do I need to keep every receipt? You can use ChatGPT to create short, simple answers and even turn them into templates or guides. And if you're using QuickBooks or Xero, ChatGPT is a great sidekick. You can ask it to help you explain why a transaction was recorded a certain way, or help you write summaries based on reports from the software. But here's the key. To get good answers, you have to ask the right questions. And that's exactly what we teach you in our course, ChatGPT for Accountants and Bookkeepers. At AccountTutor.com, we've created a step-by-step course that shows you how to use ChatGPT for real accounting work. Things like invoice entries, payroll summaries, email drafts, monthly reports, and more. This course gives you ready-to-use prompts, live demos, and real examples. So even if you're new to AI, you'll be able to start using ChatGPT right away and save hours every week. Bookkeepers and accountants who know how to use tools like ChatGPT are becoming more efficient, more productive, and honestly, more in demand. So why not be one of them? Start your journey today at AccountTutor.com. We'll help you master QuickBooks Online, Xero accounting, bookkeeping and accounting, and yes, ChatGPT for accountants and bookkeepers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried using ChatGPT in your work. I will see you in the next video.